India A needs 16 runs from the last over. What a game we had so far. Looks like it's going to be Rakibul Hasan to bowl the final over. Had the choice of Abu Haider Rani, and Akbar Ali has chosen the left-arm spinner. This may play into India's hands. We saw the last over ball by Namandir, the 19th over, beg your pardon, went for a lot of runs. 2 overs went for 50 runs in the Bangladesh innings. This is a risk being taken by Akbar Ali.
Talking about the 19th over ball by an Indian spinner, but he was a part-time spinner. Namandir is a part-time spinner. Rakibul is their main spinner. And Akbar Ali was his captain when they won that 2020 World Cup, under 19 World Cup.
Short delivery. Ashutosh swings it. Finds the fielder. Make it 15 of 5. Nehal Vadera, since he's the left-hander, he'll take a liking towards the left-arm spinner.
He's a smart bowler, Rakibul. I would like to see he can bowl Yorkers as well. He's got that ability. Probably he'll try to bowl that Yorker. This ball is going to be very crucial result in this game.
The line has to be outside the off stump. 5 fielders in the offside. It is outside the off stump. No time by Nehal Vadera. Make it 2 runs in 2 deliveries. 14 of 4. Rakibul Hasan, as expected against the left-hander, firing away from the left-hander.
India need a big hit here. When they were batting, the 19th and the 20th over went Bangladesh's way. 50 runs of those 2 overs.
Shot! Long on in place. He'll be a spectator only. That was shot and a half, Ashutosh. He made a name for himself as a finisher. He pumped it over long on.
It stayed hit. The moment it came out of the bat, everybody knew the result. And look at those boys there. Short delivery, bad delivery, pressure on Rakibul, one of the experienced bowler in the side.
Wow, we have a game in hand. 8 of 3. I think looking at Rakibul Hasan, he's going to go over the wicket now. Target the leg stump. Or maybe even outside the off stump. Long off field in place. And he drops it and goes for the ball.
Yes.
Oh, rubbing salt into the wound.
India जीतेगा बांग्लादेश.
Pressure, the fielder drops a sitter.
This is double blunder. Double blunder here. Jishan Alam dropped the catch. And then it went for a boundary as well.
Wow, what a game. That should have been taken. He has taken some blinders in this competition, Jishan Alam. It goes to show cricket is a great leveler. Under pressure, one of the best can succumb. And Ashutosh Sharma 6 and a boundary. 4 runs needed of 2 deliveries. Wow. First semi-final living up to his expectations. Yorker, right on the money. Rakibul Hasan is not going to turn the ball. He's going to bowl it quick. And Ashutosh Sharma trying to pump it straight down the ground. Misses.
Game of cricket this is. This is total entertainment. This game has been like a pendulum. With that 6 and a 4, we thought it's gone India's way. And with that Yorker, now we can say it's gone Bangladesh's way. Ashutosh Sharma, 13, 191 for 6.
Man of the match of the last game, Harsh Dubey at number 8. Boundary near of the last ball. Oh, pressure, pressure. Mind games by Rakibul Hassan. He's feeling the heat. Vaibhav Suryavanshi feeling the heat. Everyone in the stadium is. Hearts in the hands or the mouths, whatever it is. This is going to be a very big delivery. In the slot, Harsh Dubey misses it. And the long on fielder makes it. Coming back for the second run. Oh! No! A super over! Upper Rani, what have you done? Just had to be sensible. Keep the ball in your hand. Take the bails off. Would have given a victory to Bangladesh. Nevertheless, going for the stumps, missing it. Extra run. Ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, we are going in for a super over.
And Bangladesh, a captain under pressure. He dropped the catch in the previous over. And what a blunder here. What a blunder here. He just had to keep the ball in his hands. He didn't have to try that run out at all. Umpires now going to check.
Umpires will check everything, the short run, whatever they can, they have to. It's a crucial juncture in the game. There you go, last ball, Yorker, right on the money. Running the first one hard. Nehal Vadera as well as Harsh Dubey. Coming back for the second one. Akbar Ali could have just kept the ball in his hand. He's sensible. Not having the presence of mind, gifting the single, and we're going for a super over. Wow, what a game. Semi-final one. It's a blockbuster.
What else do we need? What else did we want? We wanted excitement. This was the first semi-final between Bangladesh A and India A. And the winner will be decided in the super over now.
Sri Lanka in the house, Pakistan shines in the house. They can wait. It's a super over. First time in the competition. EP World Men's Rising Stars Asia Cup.